Welfare for minorities. Can you define minorities? A minority or subordinate group is a sociological group that does not constitute a politically dominant voting majority of the total population of a given society. Types: racial or ethical minorities, religious minorities, gender and sexual minorities, age minorities, disabled minorities, linguistic minorities. Characteristics of minorities: A. Suffering, discrimination and subordination. B. Physical and cultural traits are disapproved by the dominant group. C. Share a sense of collective identity. D. Socially shared rules about who belong and who does not determine minority status. E. Members tend to marry within the group. Sociology of minority groups. A minority group as a group of people who, because of their physical or cultural characteristics, are singled out from the others in the society. This picture: welfare measures. Welfare measures including constitutional remedies, reservation for minority, separate department to protect linguistic minorities' rights, special permission to establishing educational and welfare institutions, Prime Minister's 15-point program for the welfare of minorities. Constitutional measures including Article 29, protection of interest of minorities, Article 30, rights of minorities to establish an administrator, educational institutions, Article 347, special provision relating to linguistic or language spoken by a section of the population of a state. Article 350, language to be used in representations for redress of grievances. Article 350A, facilities for instruction in mother tongue at primary stage. Article 350B of the Constitution provides for the appointment by President of a special officer for linguistic minorities. This officer is known as National Commissioner, Linguistic Minorities. Look at this picture. Minorities, religious minorities in India. Institutions for minority welfare. Constitutional and statutory bodies including Commissioner for Linguistic Minorities, Central Waqf Council, CWC, National Commission for Minorities, NCM, autonomous bodies, Maulana Azad Educational Foundation, MAEF, National Commission for Religious and Linguistic Minorities, NCRLM, PSUS, and joint venture. National Minorities Development and Finance Corporation, NMDFC. In conclusion, social problems determine well-being of individuals. Social problems directly affect or influence health status of people. Problems controlled by social planning, social welfare, social security, and social protection. Concept of social problem is essential and should be applied in nursing. Social problems determine well-being of individuals. Nurses has been doing primary role to solve the social problems and promote social welfare, to create positive society and to promote sustainable peace and development in our society. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.